Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today. In Selvin Kitchen today we're gonna do a delicious, awesome recipe. We're gonna do Jack Daniel wings. So thank you guys to subscribe to Selvin Kitchen videos them. Thank you to share the video with your friends and family. Keep on support Selvin Kitchen. Thank you my new subscriber them. Welcome to the family. My old subscriber them. Well, keep on support Selvin Kitchen. Thank you very much. But before you guys finish watch your video, or when you finish watch your video, I'm asking you guys for a tiny little favor. Please give me a thumbs up for the video, because it helps a lot. Other people can see the video over the world, so please give me a thumbs up for the video. Please like the video and share the video. So in Selvin Kitchen today guys, we're gonna make Jack Daniel wings. Delicious, awesome recipe. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today. In Selvin Kitchen today guys, where I was doing something new. Thank you guys again to watching Selvin Kitchen videos. Please give me a thumbs up for the video when you guys watch it. Please give me a like so other people can see my video across the world. So in Selvin Kitchen today, we know where I was doing something new. So we're gonna do a Jack Daniel chicken wings today. So this is all the season what we're gonna use for the chicken wings. So over here we have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We have a 3/4 cups of Jack Daniel. We have 1 teaspoon of onion powder. We have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose season. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. We have half of lime. You can use lemon, it's optional if you don't have lime. So a lot of people can get lime, or you can get lemon. So anyone you want to use is up to you guys. So this is the baking powder we're going to use for the chicken. When we season up the chicken, we're going to let it marinate for around half an hour. Then we're going to sprinkle some baking powder on it, put it in the oven to make it crispy. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of honey. So this is all the chicken wings what we're going to use. We're going to dry them off now because we have to get them dry to get the seasoning on it. So thank you guys again for watching Selvin Kitchen videos them. Hi guys, so what I'm going to do now, we're just going to dry off the chicken wings then, because we don't want a lot of water on them, so we need to dry them before we put the seasoning on it. If you don't dry them properly, when you're going to put them in the oven, they're going to sweat a lot of water. We don't want that. So dry them off, get them in a bowl. Just get a bit of paper towel and dry them off. I already cleaned them already and wash them and sprinkle some salt on them already. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt. Just gonna dry them off like that. These are not big chicken wings, they're quite small. Just dry them off. Beautiful, look at them people. So just dry them off like that. Get all of the, you want all of that excess liquid off of them, all of that water. You don't want none of that too when you're gonna season up it. You don't want nothing to runny. So you get them up because I love chicken wings. So hi guys, so I did dry off the chicken wings then because we're gonna put them in the oven. As I say again, we don't want the excess water and the excess fluid, so we don't want to build up fluid, so when we want the chicken crispy. So now I'm just gonna add in my dry season. So when I season up this now, I'm gonna leave it around half an hour to marinate. So you want to get all of that seasoning in it. Just rub it right up. I want to get that smoked paprika, that garlic powder, that onion powder, that all-purpose season. And then after I rub all of this season on it, I'm gonna put a tablespoon of baking powder. You don't want to put too much season on it, and you don't want to overcome it with too much season. Chicken wings is very easy to cook, and chicken wings is so tender and juicy. So now I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon. Sprinkle all of that baking powder, tablespoon of baking powder over it. Mix it up first, and then just add in another portion of baking powder. Okay, you know that people in Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. And we have a lot more recipe coming out, so please share the video with your friends, share the video with your family, tell a friend to tell a friend. Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. We have a lot more recipe coming out. We have a lot cake making, juice making, a lot of stuff coming out, people. We have a lot of ideas. Sprinkle the rest of the baking powder. So you want to mix up everything, everything will marinate properly. Oh, you can smell that season out of it already, people. The season is. So now I'm gonna leave that to marinate for around half an hour. Hello, people. Hi guys, so I have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So I'm just gonna oil my tray to put in my chicken on the tray because I don't want the chicken to stuck on the tray. So use 2 tablespoons of oil. And then I'm gonna use the brush, so just to spread all over this tray. Because if I don't use the oil to put on the tray, the chicken gonna stuck on the tray. You don't want that. You don't want to when you're taking off the chicken, all of the chicken skin and the chicken is stuck in the tray. So if you have spray oil, you can use it. You can use any type of oil. Optional. So you just spread it over like that. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. So alright guys, I just stuck them in a tray. So I don't want them too close to each other, so I separate them a bit to give them a little bit of space. So now I'm just gonna use some oil spray to spray in the chicken wings. So just spray gently over them. Remember people, just jot down the wings we look on after today in Selvin Kitchen. So I'll just spray some oil spray over them, kind of people. So now I'm gonna stuck them in the oven now. I'm just gonna check them every 10 minutes. So hi guys, so now I'm just gonna put them in the oven. I'm just gonna I'm gonna check them every 10 minutes. So these are medium sized wings. These are not some large wings. Just gonna put them in the oven. Sorry for the oven fans guys. So put them in the oven. Put the oven on 150. If you have a gas oven, it's up to you to time it, but I have an electric oven, so I put it on 150. So I'm gonna check it every 10 minutes. Hi guys, so I just took out them out the oven. That was in the oven for the last 10 minutes. So now I'm just gonna spin them around. So I want them cooked evenly. I want the 2 sides to cook properly. So I'm just gonna spin them around, and then I'm gonna put them back for another 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn them around again. Just turn them around like that. So this one is sticking on the side because this one was resting. So I'm gonna turn them all of them around, and then I'll see you guys in another 10 minutes. Hi guys, so now I'm just gonna make the sauce to go on the chicken. So now I'm just gonna add in the Jack Daniel. Wow. The people. Then I'm gonna add in the sugar. You give it a stir. Hi guys, sorry for the steam. I'm making the sauce for the chicken wings, so I just add in the Jack Daniel and the sugar. So now I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of honey. So that's 1. So 2 tablespoons of honey, give it a stir. Then I'm gonna squeeze half of lime. You have to stir, so I'll give it another 2 minutes.
There's not much to do when all I can.
Hi guys, so I just got the chicken wings out of the oven and I just finished make my sauce to go on the chicken, Jack Daniel's sauce. So I'm just gonna add some over the chicken. Just gonna pour it over like that, people. Oh, this is nice already, baby. This is nice. So add all of the Jack Daniel's sauce over it, people. Beautiful. This is so delicious. So now I'm just gonna put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Hi guys, this is all finished. I just take out the Jack Daniel wings out of the oven. It's all finished now, so now I'm just gonna share some of it on this plate, people, for lunch. So thank you guys to watching Selvin video, and guys, whenever you're watching Selvin video, please give me a thumbs up that other people can see the video around the world. That's one of the things I'm asking of you guys. Please give me a thumbs up, please press like, and please share and like the video with your friends and family. Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. Hi guys, so this is all finished. This is Selvin Kitchen, people, because we're always doing something new. So this is all finished now, so now we're just gonna dig in, people, and I'm gonna have some lunch. I cannot wait to taste some of this. So thank you guys to watching Selvin Kitchen video. Thank you guys to subscribe. Thank you guys to share the video with your friends and family. Please give me a thumbs up for the video. Send me a comment if you want. It's up to you guys, but please give me a thumbs up and please share the video. Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. So people, stay safe. Selvin Kitchen, we see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Peace. Hi guys, look at it, people. Guys, I just ate 2 a while ago. It just melt off in my mouth. People, try this recipe. Telling you people, try this recipe. This is delicious. Beautiful people, beautiful, beautiful.
Very beautiful.
My missus, she's taking one. It's very beautiful. This recipe is it's not too hard, not too difficult, it's very easy. So please subscribe, please share and like. Please hit that notification bell so when I post a video you will get it. Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. Guys, please give me a thumbs up for the video. Can I, people? Please give me a thumbs up. So guys, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Take care of yourself.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside